Good morning. Today's question, if everything is temporary, why does anything matter? Do things matter because they will last? For example, if you have a very small encounter in the street, someone smiles to you and you have a beautiful encounter, and you never meet this person again, but it left a warm feeling in your heart. If it did not last, would you rather have not had it? This question values life by the possessions, by what we accumulate. It doesn't give a lot of experience to a lot of value to experience. Because the moment we start shifting our perspective to value in experience, the moment we start seeing that every experience is giving us something, it is not maybe tangible, but it is as tangible when we start noticing those things as any kind of tangible resource we can acquire in the world. And there is a lot of value in experience. There is a lot of value in experience that ends. We're lucky that experiences end, because if experiences didn't end, we would be in the same thing knowing nothing else for all of our lives. So the fact that experiences end is actually a great benefit and compassion to us. If there were no time and space, we would always be in the same place with the same people, in the same thing, always, 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 and always. So space gave rise to the fact that we can move around, we can be far from other people. Time gave rise to the fact that we can do things later. And postponing things as well, and procrastinating. So if everything is temporary, why does anything matter anyway? We do not have this approach because experiences give us a certain sense of fulfillment, of growth, of understanding, of a feeling of love and beauty. And if we value permanence, then we will always be hurt, because there is nothing that is permanent in this life. Even the people we love will pass away, our belongings, our phones will break, everything around us will decay. But we have experienced them while they lasted. Our phone, when we got it, was very new. A few years later, now there's a new phone, and our phone is just an old phone. But it lasted for a while. And the value was in this experience. And we're lucky that it ended, because now we get to get a new phone with a better screen, better battery, better all of those new features. So if nothing lasts, why does it matter? It matters because it never lasts, and because we know it never lasts, we should appreciate it while it lasts. And the fact that we know it never lasts and we should appreciate it while it lasts makes experiences and things much more valuable. In every moment, we understand that this moment will never happen again, and there's a lot of beauty in that. There's a lot of appreciation in that. There is a waking up to a certain sense of appreciation and wanting to be present as much as we can into every moment, because if we are not, we are missing something that will never happen again.